In the morning, I wake up to fight for my yearnings. The fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me.
Savings so big it only happens twice a year. Shop now, only.
Hey guys, so I have my potatoes, cheese, chives, and green onions. And my pot roast shredded up. Now here I go slicing it up so I can show y'all how I do it. Just gonna mash it up right there like that. Now I had this bacon in the oven for like an hour. All I did was like poke tiny holes in it, rubbed it down with olive oil, put some salt on it, bam. Okay, now that I'm done mashing, I'm going over there to put my butter in. Get that melted butter all up in there. Then I'm gonna put some salt and pepper, but I'm not just using any regular old salt. I got pink salt and black pepper. As you can see, make sure you get a good amount on there. And then you go over there and top it off with some not whipped cream, some sour cream. I got my sour cream on there with some Mexican cheese. And then I'm putting my green onions on there like that, like so, and my Samantha voice. And then we go over here to the pot roast that's been cooking for 8 hours. We're gonna just top that off like that. Just top it off, get a good amount on there. Make sure you get some juice on there too. Gotta get the juice from the pot roast all over it. That's what make it look all juicy and buttery and scrumptious. I just want to go eat the whole plate right now. And then I come back with some more cheese. Come on now. Some more green onions. And it's a wrap. Put some chives on there. Bam. The finished product on St. Patty Day. This what a sis made. And it was bussin'.
In the morning, I wake wake up to fight for my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you rely.